Tired of juggling physical SIM cards like it's still 2010? Let's ditch the plastic and unlock the future of mobile connectivity with an Esim on your US mobile Android device. First things first, make sure your Android phone is Esim compatible and that you have an active US mobile account with an Esim profile ready to go. This info can be found on the US mobile website or by contacting customer support. Now, head over to your phone settings. Usually, you can find this under Connections or Network and Internet. Look for SIM Card Manager or something similar. Every phone is a little different. Tap on Add Esim or Add Mobile Plan. You'll likely see an option to scan a QR code or enter an activation code manually. This code unlocks your Esim profile. Your QR code or activation code is waiting for you in your US mobile account dashboard or chilling in your email inbox. Now you can scan it. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the Esim profile. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi at this stage, as it needs a solid data connection. Once installed, you can manage your Esim settings. Set it as your primary data source, switch between plans. You're in control. You can also have it as your backup data source. The possibilities are endless. That's it. No more fumbling with tiny pieces of plastic. Enjoy the flexibility of US Mobile's Esim, perfect for travelers or anyone who wants separate lines on one device. Happy connecting.